Hello everyone, and thanks for watching Edupedia World Videos. In this video, we'll discuss solutions to Part C, that is Mathematics, for the 2016 JEE Mains paper. We will be following the test booklet code E. 64. A is equal to 5A minus B, 3 and 2. And we are given that A times adjoint of A is equal to A times A transpose. Now since this is just a 2 cross 2 matrix, it's actually quite easy to calculate adjoint of A, so we'll just write down the whole equation and solve it. So what we get is 5A minus B 3 2 multiplied by the adjoint of A. So if we just eliminate 5A, what we're left with is 2, so we'll get 2 here. If you remove minus b, what we'll get is 3 here. So 3 should go here, but we'll actually take the transpose of that because adjoint A needs the transpose of the cofactors. So 3 will be here and there will be a minus sign because minus 1 to the power 1 plus 2. And similarly, what you'll get is b and 5a. And this should be equal to 5a minus b 3 2 multiplied by A transpose, which is 5A minus B 3 2. And you'll get 2 cross 2 matrices. 5A minus B multiplied by 2 minus 3 will give me 10A plus 3B. 5A minus B multiplied by B and 5A will give me 0. This multiplied by this gives me 0. And this multiplied by this gives me again 10 plus 3B. 10A plus 3B. This should be equal to, these two terms give me 25a squared plus b squared. 5a plus b times 3 and 2 gives me 15a minus 2b. 3 2 times 5a minus b gives me again 15a minus 2b. And this just gives me 9 plus 4, which is 13. So the first equation we get is 15a minus 2b is 0, that is for these two values. 15a minus 2b is 0, or 15a by 2 is equal to b. The second equation would be 10a plus 3b is equal to 13. So 10a plus 3 times b, which is 15a by 2, is equal to 13, which means 20a plus 45a. 65a by 2 is equal to 13, which means a is equal to 2 by 5. And if a is equal to 2 by 5, you can easily calculate the value of b as well. b is equal to 15 by 2 into 2 by 5, which is 3. And we actually have to satisfy this equation as well, but we can see that it is satisfied for 2 by 5 and 3. So 3b will be 3 into 3 or 9, plus 2 by 5 into 10 will be 4, which gives me 13. 25a squared will be 5a whole squared, that is 2 whole squared, or 4, plus b squared will be 9. So if this equation wasn't satisfied, there would really not be any solution, but this is also satisfied. So the solution is a is 2 by 5 and b is 3, and we are asked the value of 5a plus b. So 5a plus b comes out to be 2 plus 3, which is 5. So the answer will be option 2, which is 5. This completes the solution. Thank you.